So the treadmill, arguably, treadmill running, right? It arguably is the hardest thing to implement in virtual reality. There are obviously other things, other fitness machines, which could be a great fit for virtual reality. And we already see many companies, not many, but a few companies in the industry experimenting with this machinery, right? Talking about rowing machines, bikes and things like that. So that's definitely a great horizontal expansion, which is a great potential for us. So that's one thing. There is also, Nine kind of alluded to it. We recently introduced so-called run and place mode. Like for instance, Diana, in case you don't have a treadmill at home, but you have it in the gym, right? So when you go to a gym, you use your treadmill in the gym. When you're at home, you still want to jump into this new world while, maybe outside it's a bad weather, right? So you jump to our world and you can actually run in place and enjoy the VR worlds we built. So the idea is you're still doing your cardio, you're still doing your locomotion, and at the same time, it's much more fun than just running in place and, staring at the wall.